Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi POCO C3 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on passwords and security. Now let's scroll down a little and tap on privacy, and here we've got advanced sections and on the very first position encryption and credentials, so let's tap on it. Now at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK if you are sure. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Xiaomi POCO C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.